Look at us now, Blake. See the beach in a minute. Are we there yet? That's a classic.
I'm Anthony. I live in Bristol, and this year I booked a holiday with my son Blake, who is 8.
Amazing.
Look at this, Blake. Stunning.
After some research online and speaking to some mates in Cardiff, we decided on Pembrokeshire. So I hired a van for a long weekend and we just set off on an adventure.
You won't get a better view than that anywhere in the world. This is beautiful.
Can you see any whales?
We're in Wales.
We did some really cool stuff. Blake even got to realise his dream of seeing dolphins.
Here we go.
Got it, man.
It was the best time we've ever had together. Quality.
Oh, look at this view. Absolutely unbelievable.